Hey, it's Crystal here, 26 in Orange County, California. Leader in broadcast communications. I'm in Orange County, California. People assume a lot of things about me. They assume that I'm uppity, I'm rich. It was hard, like, as a child, like, as being, like, the only black girl in the whole entire school. But I think that my personality is what brings attention to who I am, not being black. I'm waiting for a roommate. My first roommate.